I'm about to show you how to make a Game Pass and please donate in Roblox Mobile in 2026. Let's jump in. I have my iPhone and my Android phone here. The first thing we need to do is get to the Create section. This used to be a third-party website, but now you can see it is built into the app. You can see when you get into the Create section, everybody will have an experience. This is just default. When you create an account, you'll have an experience. Now, within that experience, let's tap on it and you'll be able to see Manage Experience. Tap on that and then tap on this and hit Manage Experience. After you've done that, let's scroll down and make sure that privacy is set to public. If it's set to private, this won't work. So switch it to public if it is not already, and then just go down and hit Save Changes. The next thing that we will do is tap on the 3 lines at the top left. And now all you need to do is scroll down until you find the option that says Passes and tap on that. Now, if you've already created a pass, you'll be able to see it here. But if you haven't already, just tap on Create Pass and I'll walk you through the steps. Now, the first thing is you can upload a image if you wanted to. You can see format JPEG, but you don't necessarily need to. You can just use the default one. Now on here, I'm just going to name this whatever, gobbledygook here. And then description, you can enter in a description as well. But this is important at the very bottom. We would just want to hit Create Pass. However, after you create that pass, that doesn't necessarily mean it is public and it's for sale. We need to make it for sale. So on here, let's say I'm going to scroll down and there is the one that I just created on my iPhone. And there is the other one that we created. Now we can see, oh, that's not it. This is it. Now on both of these, you'll be able to see if you scroll over, it says off sale, off sale. So what I'm going to do is tap on that one and then tap on it. And now it will open it up and you'll be able to see it looks like the same screen as before. But I'm going to tap on the 3 lines at the top left and then tap on sales here. This will allow you to have it on sale. So turn this on. And keep in mind, a default price will not necessarily be the price that you get. Roblox takes 30%. So if the basically pass is 100 Robux, then you'll only get 70 Robux. So on here, I'm going to put both of these at 100, let's say. I'm going to put both of these at 100 and then hit Save Changes. And then I can just hit Proceed and then Save Changes. Now I've made these, and if I go back out of here to the passes, you'll be able to see now if I scroll over, it's enabled and it has 100 Robux. Now all you need to do is hop out of this Create section and we can go home here, and I'll just do this on my iPhone. You can just open up Please Donate. And once you've opened up that game, all you need to do from here is just to navigate to a stand. So let's find a stand somewhere. You might need to go around a little bit. Basically, just find a stand. Once you get to that stand, you'll be able to place your stand and your Game Passes on there. And from there, other people can donate Robux to you.